sawa? Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depending the time and the country you're watching me from. Happy Christmas, which is over. And we are going to welcome New Year in few days. So happy New Year in advance. So welcome guys. I want us to unbox our last 2025 fruits. Unboxing fruits.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. So it's the last day or the last hours of the year. So I want us to unbox this. So I have some fruits with few items that I went to the market to pick or to buy, but mostly are fruits. So I want us to unbox and then we'll see what follows. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, leave a nice comment for me, and I'm gonna really appreciate. So you're welcome guys, and let us do this. So you're going to start with this. Hizi vitu zinaitwa nini? Hii ni yangu. Watermelon. Matunda zangu zimeharibika. Sasa nani ametoa supu? So you have this. And these are gold. Nini?
Red grapes.
No.
Plums.
Plums, yeah. These are plums.
This one
Nyanya. Tomatoes. I think they are tomatoes. And we have banana here. And then we have cocoa. There. And then we have big something here. How many cocoa for camera? And then we have this. Woo! And then you have this.
tunakuona azima
I have that. And then we have red what? Grapes? They're not red. Is it red? And then we have these are grapes. And these are seedless. All of them are seedless. Guys, grapes. We have grapes. This we have for 3 packets.
wait
We have this.
purple.
We have this.
We have
And
3
then we have
packets.
this.
Pineapple. Care fruits.
We have that. And then we have this.
Mango. Mink. Again, apple,
And
strawberry.
then we have that.
Apples.
Yeah. And then here we have red.
Strawberry.
Strawberries.
Lazima ni taste.
And something for the tea. For date 1. And then I went for milk. 5 liters. And then I went for 1 kg meat. And then 1.5 chicken. Here. Yeah. So that's our last shopping of 2025.
2025.
Yeah. That's our last shopping. 2025. And then corn. I've eaten. Roasted corn. Woo! In supermarket. Mandazi. So this is our last 2025 shopping, especially fruits. Yeah, especially fruits. So this one was around how much?
12.
No, this was around 3 something. Nikisema hivi mnageuza into dollars. 300 into dollars.
$3.
0 point kitu.
$3.
100.
This was $3.
$2 hapo.
Almost 2 point something. Let's say $3. This a liter is 67 bob. Sasa hii ni 300. Even this one $3. Ilikuwa 180. This is $1. 8 cents around there. This 3 popo, this and this, they were 200, which is $2. Not even $2, 1 point something dollar. This was around 240, around 1 point something dollar, few cents. This were this and this. This was 150. This one, this is 250, which is around $2. This one, 350, $3. This one, 250, around $2. This one is around $1. This one was $1, and this one $1 again. $2. This one $1. These $2. The meat 1 kg is around 400. So this is $3 point few cents for 1 kg beef. Chicken 1.5 kg. It's around because it's 600. It's around $4. India.
6.
4. It's around 4 point something or $5. Yeah. So that's our last 2025 fruit shopping. Last few things here and there: milk, cake, and then meat and chicken. So yeah, guys, there we go. There we go. Our last 2025 fruit shopping. There we go. So here you have apple, you have plums, and it seems like it's plum season. And then we have pawpaw, yeah, pawpaws, and then we have thorn melon, then mango. This is I think I call apple mango. And then I have 2 pineapple. Pineapple in Nakuru, they are cheap, guys. They're very cheap. Then I have banana there, watermelon, my milk, strawberries there, red, is it red or and what? Red grapes. I have this, I have that, I have that. 1 kg meat, chicken. So there is my 2025 shopping. Yeah, our last 2025 shopping. There we go. So thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing. Thank you so much, guys. Please continue subscribing, liking, and sharing, and I'll be so happy. Leave a nice comment for me. I'll reply back. And please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, and happy 2026.